Hello children, this is Anrit Tiwari, Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Today we are starting with the last section of chapter number 2 NCERT book of biology 12th class, and here we are talking about post-fertilization events, and we have already read about pre-fertilization events and fertilization events. Now here in post-fertilization event, after the zygote formation, some changes occur after the fertilization of the embryo sac. The processes which are after the fertilization, there, number 1, ovary converts into fruit. If ovary converts into fruit, it is known as true fruit, and if sometimes thalamus is also involved in the formation of fruit, then that fruit is known as false fruit. Ovule converts into seed. Seed is of two types, albuminous seed and non-albuminous seed. Albuminous seed means if endosperm is not completely consumed at the time of maturation of zygote into embryo, then a bit amount of endosperm remains there. That seed is known as albuminous seed. And when the entire endosperm is consumed while the process of embryogenesis, so no endosperm remains on the seed, and that seed is known as non-albuminous seed. Ultimately, zygote develops into embryo. So ovary develops into fruit, ovule develops into seed, and zygote develops into embryo after the fertilization of male and female gamete. There is one term known as apomixis. Apomixis means asexual. Apomixis is a kind of asexual reproduction in which 2N cell does not undergo meiosis, and it does not produce a half number of chromosomes, that means male or female gamete, but directly ovary converts into seed without the fertilization of male gamete. Directly ovary converts into seed, and pollen grain does not come in the ovary, and there is no fertilization. Without fertilization, directly ovary converts into ovule converts into seed, and ovary converts into fruit. This is known as apomixis. Actually, it is a kind of asexual reproduction where there is no involvement of male gamete. It mimics like sexual reproduction. There is one more term, polyembryony. Polyembryony means more than one embryo in a seed. If a seed contains more than one embryo, then it is known as polyembryony, such as groundnut. You must have seen when you break one groundnut, you can find 2 or 3 embryos from inside. So this is all about this section, and we have finished the chapter number 2, and next we are going to start chapter number 3. Thank you very much.